So the last problem we had on this Maserati here that we're doing to it today is this little guy right here, the reverse camera. On this one it was blank. On some of them it may be upside down, and there's other vehicles that this happens to as well. Like I think some of the Fords will have that happen as well. I'm not exactly sure what goes wrong with these cameras. I believe somebody actually took one of these apart and found some bad solder connection in them or something and fixed one. But Maserati will not sell you this camera. You need to buy this whole backing plate from Maserati to get that camera, and it is not cheap. So if you have a problem with this where it's just blank, or maybe it's upside down, Maserati wants to sell you this whole thing, I'd recommend finding a used one and just taking this thing off here. You got a T30 here, T30 here, and this backing plate here. It should come off and you'll get to the camera on the back side, and you should be able to remove it and replace it. Be a little camera about this big, is all as big as it is, with a harness maybe a foot long or so. So if you have a problem with that, I'd recommend just getting the used one. Otherwise they're going to make you pay for this paint color matched trim piece on the back that says Maserati, and they're going to want a fortune. They will want to charge you a lot of money for this. Can't remember how much, my brother told me, but you can just get this camera used somewhere. That'll save you a lot of money. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Cheers.